It is flag.
Right, yeah.
Race.
Yeah.
You're in the Amish land.
One. Go.
Here's an interesting Thunderjet pickup with dice on back. Two lanes going one direction, two lanes going in the other.
Anything that's
Awesome.
AMC.
Lots of fun. Different challenge.
Yeah, I'm looking for a particular Mustang that is a speed tier body.
So, which way it's
Wow.
there's the three
In that corner.
things.
Right, and no guy pin.
There were a lot of speed
My
tier
dice
bodies.
don't roll with the damn place.
Yellow flag.
I only want the Mustang.
That's what I mean.
Oh, we got last year's tournament.
Well, I don't check eBay a lot, so.
What is it, 4?
One.
No, 10-1 and 10-1. Oh.
They probably
Thunderjet pickup. The dice on the back.
I like them because they have
Two lanes this way, two lanes that way. The Cyclone
The white one's not bad once I got used to it.
Raceway.
Rolls into the
It does, and that's what my mind
So you
has.
gotta know to let off soon enough or you're in trouble. Well, good news, the next one's kind of.
You went to the Amish lane again.
I'm good, Pete, thanks. I got enough for 6 more laps. Or not.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Yellow flag.
Yeah, so.
Go. Yellow flag.
Mark, you're gonna need gas. Ready?
Yep, I'm dumping it right now. I was, but they stopped me.
Oh, Mark out.
Race.
Oh, yeah, me.
It's all right.
One. Go.
Yeah, I'm in the yellow. I didn't follow.
I have to stop.
No.
Yellow flag.
All right. I'm gonna bring out
No, I
another
went off
car.
first.
What haven't I read?
5.
I don't know that.
Go, Mark,
Race.
go.
2.
I need fuel.
1.
Let's
Go.
go.
Yellow flag.
I heard the dice. That's all it was, the dice.
Go.
I made that mistake. Somebody played it. I went. When they said go, I went and I was fueling up. I really irritated me that night. Oh,
Last thing we want to do is irritate you.
oh no, I irritate myself.
We know that.
5. 4. Race.
I do it well.
1. Go.
You're full of fuel.
You're full of fuel.